welcome you once again to this edition of our learning program. Our subject for today is natural science, and our topic is assessment test. Now let's look at what we have to achieve at the end of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, you can identify groups of animals. You can identify examples of animals. You can also identify movements of animals. At the end of the lesson, you can identify groups of animals. You can identify examples of animals. You can identify movements of animals. Now get ready for the test. Assessment test 1. Give 4 examples each for the following groups of animals: birds, fish, insects, reptiles, mammals. Now you are to give 4 examples each for the groups of animals respectively. And so for birds, you give 4 examples of birds. For fish, you give 4 examples. Insects 4, reptiles 4, and mammals 4 examples. Good. Let's move on. Assessment test 2. Movement of animals. Movement of animals. Give examples of animals for each of the following movements. We have flying, crawling, walking or running, swimming, jumping or hopping. And so under flying, you give 3 examples of animals that fly. Under crawling, you give 3 examples of animals that crawl. 3 examples of animals that walk or run. 3 examples of animals that swim. And then 3 examples of animals that jump or hop. Assessment test 1. You give 4 examples each for the groups of animals listed on the table: birds, fish, insects, reptiles, and mammals. Assessment test 2. According to the movement of animals, give 3 examples each for flying, crawling, walking or running, swimming, jumping or hopping. You can also answer questions related to this assessment in your textbooks. And also refer to notes on this very test from your textbooks. Very good. Now we come to the conclusion. We looked at identifying groups of animals. We also looked at examples of animals. Then we also looked at identifying movements of animals. Stay safe and bye for now.